not really scared of gators, but we were putting in yesterday, and he literally swam up like 10 feet from
There's
me.
like 2 of them over here. There's like an 8-footer, and then there's like a 12-footer.
I backed up a little bit.
I'm gonna start recording in case you bust your ass on this boat ramp.
This thing.
All right, so we just got the Brawler here in the water, just checking it out for the first time. This thing looks sweet, dude. The blue really pops.
This thing is sick. The detail in the design.
One of my favorite wraps we've ever done.
Look at that. Look at like the cracks in it and stuff.
Down to like all the details. Features that this boat has that probably no other Brawler has is this billet rail right here.
Oh yeah.
So this is our brand new billet rail. This one we opted the powder coat and then kind of wipe off the face to give it a little, it's black, but then you get the billet look to it.
Yeah, so this thing's got marine mat upgrades, so it's got marine mat everywhere.
Yeah.
All on the walls.
The floors, the dash, the wall, the Garmin screen on the back of the gauge cluster. It's got the center console with the 2 cup holders in it. The seats on this thing came out sweet too. They match almost perfectly with the wrap. Oh shit!
That's how my phone broke last time.
Hey, last time we were out here, Cade totaled his phone. So this boat has our new switch panel made by Oxbeam. So it's the slim switch panel. We put it on your left side now, so you can actually push the buttons and change stuff while you're driving. So
Pop the hood. Let's see what we got in there.
all right, there's a hole over here, and I'm sorry.
Rotax 300.
300 horsepower. It's got all of our powder coated parts on it. The fit and finish on this boat is top notch here. Let's go hit the water with this thing and see what she can do. Time since I drove a 10-foot with a 300 in it. Absolute animal. And it's snowing great. All right, guys, we just pulled her out of the water. She's ready to go to her new home. Hope you guys enjoyed, and keep an eye out on social media for this thing ripping with her new owner. See you guys on the next one.